Hey superstars, it's Chelsea. Welcome to my channel. Today, or this video actually, because I did film this makeup look. So if you want to see how I did it, check it out somewhere. I'm gonna be 33 weeks tomorrow. Holy moly. My little baby girl is going to be here soon. Oh my goodness. Okay, just take that in, Z-Star. I just wanted to do an unboxing video. This is from Babylist. So here's the box. It says Hello Baby. I have not looked in here. You see, I haven't looked in here, haven't peeked. I just opened it. That's really all. So we're gonna see what's inside this box today together. The way you receive this box is you have to be registered through Babylist. So Babylist is pretty much one registry that has a whole bunch of registries. So like, let's say that you have a Target registry and an Amazon registry and, you know, all these other places. There's a whole bunch of places that you can just add, even like from different websites, like, you know, like Baby Gap. You can add it onto your Babylist. So it's pretty cool. It's, I guess, like a one-stop shop registry. So you just, you can link your other registries. So like I linked my Target one down and here, and then it's just all connected. You can even compare prices. You can see like what's bought on there. You do have to pay $10 to receive this. It's for shipping though, because the box is free. You just have to pay for your shipping, if that makes sense. However, the $10 does go towards your registry, I believe. So I need to get on that because I haven't used my $10. But here's this. So let's see what this is. Should I put on my glasses? I probably should because I'm going to be squinting a lot. Oh, I have scissors. Here we go. Oh, here's, see, I just can't see. So this is just a card. It says Yum, a special gift for you. $35, try the fresh organic baby food service everyone is talking about. I'm guessing it's like Hello Fresh, but it's for babies. Oh, it says yummy, not yum. Sorry. So that's pretty cool. When she can eat, you know, foods. Here are some Huggies special delivery diapers. 3 diapers, size 1. So there's that. Then there's a Pampers in here as well, size 1, and this one has 2 Pampers. And plus it says save $4. So I'm guessing there's coupons. Here's Nano Bebe, and this is Hospital Go Bag Kit. So it has breast milk storage bags, nursing pads, Flexi pacifier from 0 to 3 months, and newborn essentials, and a coupon book. Let's actually open it. Oh, this is so darling. Look. And, oh, okay. So here's the storage bags, and here are the nipple pads, and the coupon book. And then there's some water wipes. So there is 10 wipes in here. That's pretty nice. There's also an even flow balance pacifier. So this is for babies 0 to 6 months. Here's some Honest wipes, plant-based wipes. Ooh, what's this? There's some baby lotion from Pipette. I was about to smell it, but it says fragrance free. Oh wow, this is huge. This is Swaddlers. So I remember my brother would wear this. This is just like a changing pad for the babies. So that's pretty neat. Let's see what's inside here. Oh, so right here is a newborn sample of Dreft. I'm not going to be using this for sure because I've heard some bad things about it. So we're not going to be using that laundry detergent, but that's still nice. Okay, and I guess just coupons, Pampers Club, some Pampers wipes, Pampers Swaddle, and the size 1. I love how Pampers smell. You just, I don't know. Here are some nipple pads from the brand Lancino. I think I'm saying that right. I'm not too positive, but here it is. So yeah, so here's some disposable nursing pads and breast milk storage bags. So there we are. So yeah. Ooh, I'm about to tear this up right now. I'm hungry. This is a Kind oats and honey granola bar. Here is an Even Flow balance bottle. So this is 0+ months. So it just says slow flow. So that's a nice little baby bottle for baby April. And oh, this is darling. Here's a Boon pacifier. Get it? So precious. It says babies need lots of love and a few things too, from Babylist. So I guess you just pass these out. It says, psst. You'll find the registry at babylist.com. Yeah, they all say the same thing. And I got another pacifier from the brand Chico. Sisio Forma actively supports baby's breathing. Nipple design helps position tongue toward to maintain an open airway. It's BPA free, latex free. So this is an orthodontic pacifier. That's pretty cool. So it doesn't mess up their teethies. And then this is 0 to 6 months. And then that looks just about it. There's a sample of nipple cream. So it's the same brand that gave out these samples of the storage bags and breast pads. So there's that. There's a little sample. And for the lotion, just a coupon. An Aquaphor baby healing ointment. Here is Expectful. I don't know what this is. 30-day guest pass. The meditation platform for your fertility, pregnancy, and parenthood journey. This is the world's largest library of guided meditations for fertility, pregnancy, and parenthood. Practice in as little as 5 minutes a day. Oh, that's cool. So there's that. And then there's a coupon for little swaddlers. And then this is from Swaddle Designs. So yeah, that's pretty neat. Save 50% off of that. And there's, oh, I guess like another box that you can subscribe to. It's called Box. You save 15% off of that. It says, get all the new baby supplies you need delivered in bulk at box.com. So that's cool. I don't have to leave the house if I don't have to. And then this, $10 off a minimum purchase of $50. And this is for like a carrier blanket thingy from the brand called Solely Baby. SolelyBaby.com. So yeah, that's all that was in my Babylist box. Hope that you enjoyed my first ever little baby thing. I'm a first-time mom, besides fur dog mom, fur baby mom. Let me know what you think about the baby videos being on the makeup channel. Should I do 2 separate? Should I just keep them together? I don't know. Let me know in the comments down below. I guess this can be more of a vlog style because I'm just having technical difficulties and I'm starving and I want to go eat. And you know, not to mess with a hungry pregnant woman. So yeah, did this unboxing with you guys. So but yeah, just let me know what kind of videos that y'all want to see from me. That way I can post them, or if you think I should do a separate channel for the baby stuff. Because I did want to do some little, I guess like things that they don't tell you, you know, about pregnancy, because There is quite a few, and I'm shook at some. So I noticed that I didn't complete my outro. However, I just wanted to say thank you so much for sticking by and watching this video. And don't forget to like the video and also subscribe to my channel for some more.